What counts as heart-healthy exercise and how much do you actually need? I'm Dr. Francesco Monaco, a preventive cardiologist in London. For most adults, the recommendation is 150 minutes of moderate activity a week, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity, or a mix of the two. So what's moderate activity and what's vigorous? Moderate activity raises your heart rate, makes you breathe faster and feel warmer. You can still talk, but you wouldn't be able to sing. That include activities like brisk walking or hiking, steady cycling, water aerobics, or pushing a lawn mower. Vigorous activity pushes things further. You are breathing harder and can only say a few words at a time. Examples include fast running, swimming, fast or uphill cycling, or sports like football, rugby, netball, or hockey. And the same activity can shift from moderate to vigorous depending on pace and intensity.